everyone! Welcome to my presentation. I am Andrea Colan Banta and today we'll be discussing about the characteristics of living matter. Let's explore this interesting topic together.
Before we begin, let's first understand what living matter is. Living matter refers to all living organisms such as humans, animals, plants, fungi, and microorganisms. Although they may look different from one another, they all share common characteristics that make them alive. And now, let's discuss these characteristics one by one. The first characteristics of living matter is that all living things are made of cells. Cells are the basic unit of life. They are like tiny building blocks that make up every living organism. Some organisms, like bacteria, have only one cell, so they are called unicellular organisms. Others, such as humans, dogs, and trees, are made up of many cells, making them multicellular organisms. The second characteristic is that living things grow and develop. Grow means becoming larger in size, while development refers to the changes that happen as an organism matures. Living things go through different stages during their life. For example, a seed grows into a small plant and eventually becomes a large tree. A human baby grows into a child, then teenager, and finally an adult. The third characteristic is that living things need energy. Every living organism needs energy to carry out daily activities such as moving, growing, repairing damaged cells, and reproducing. Plants get energy from sunlight through the process called photosynthesis. Animals and humans get energy by eating food. Example: when we eat rice, vegetables, fruits, or meat, our body converts the food into energy. Fourth, living things respond to their environment. Another characteristic is that living things respond to stimuli or changes in their environment. A stimulus can be light, sound, temperature, touch, or danger. Living organisms react to these changes to survive. Example: we quickly pull our hand away from something hot. Plants bend toward sunlight. Dogs bark when they hear unfamiliar sounds. Living things reproduce. The next characteristic is reproduction. Living organisms produce offspring to continue their species. Some animals give birth to babies, while others lay eggs. Plants reproduce by producing seeds, flowers, or spores. Without reproduction, a species would eventually become extinct. Another important characteristic is homeostasis. Homeostasis means maintaining a stable internal environment even when the outside environment changes. This helps organisms survive. For example, when it's hot, we sweat to cool down. When it's cold, we shiver to produce heat. These responses help keep our body temperature normal. The last characteristic is that living things adapt and evolve. Adaptation is a trait or behavior that helps an organism survive in its environment. Over many generations, species evolve and develop new characteristics. Examples include: polar bears have thick fur to survive in cold climates. Camels store fat in their humps to survive in the desert. Cacti have thick stems that store water. To summarize, living matter has 7 main characteristics. Number 1, it is made of cells. 2, it grows and develops. 3, it needs energy. 4, It responds to the environment. 5. It reproduces. 6. It maintains homeostasis. And 7. It adapts and evolves. Understanding these characteristics allows us to appreciate the complexity and importance of life around us. And that's all, everyone. I hope you have learned something. Thank you.
How many minutes? Very few. You offer dear.